Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see a concept which is common for every cloud service platform, that is high availability and scalability. Now you will think, what is scalability? Here I have an example. Suppose your application is capable of taking 1000 requests at a time and it's running fine, and it's just taking couple of seconds to respond on the request. And suppose in future your request at a time has been increased up to 10 million. Now here your application is taking too much time to respond on the request. On client and customer expectation, this is not a good performance. So this can be solved by scalability concept. To handle this increased load, we can expand your piece of infrastructure, that is instance. You can give a solution by two types of scalability. First is vertical scalability and second is horizontal scalability. First we will see the what is vertical scalability. Adding more power to your existing instance is nothing but vertical scalability. You can add more RAM, more SSD, or you can increase the power of CPU. It seems vertical scalability solution is easier than horizontal scalability. Here we discussed about earlier instance which is capable of taking 1000 requests at a time. To minimize the response time on 10 million requests on the server, we have expanded our instance by adding more RAM, more SSDs, and the power of CPU. Now it's capable of taking millions of requests. It generally said that the vertical scaling is usually considered for short-term advantage. Now we will see the horizontal scalability. In this concept, you generally add more instances to spread the load across the multiple machines. A horizontal scaling is slightly more complex than the vertical scaling. As soon as you have multiple instances, you will require a lot of administration tasks like updating systems, managing securities, and monitoring all the instances with their health check. And also you need to sync your application, your data, and their backups. Horizontal scaling is generally considered in long-term advantage. We can see it in real-time example. Suppose you have a single instance which is capable of taking 1000 requests at a time. And if in future the number of requests has been increased, so I have added one more instance to spread their request load. Here I can add as many as instances to spread their load. So remember, more instances you add, more complex it becomes. Handle the administration part across all the machines. Now let's talk about high availability. It's nothing but running your application in two or more data centers. To survive in data center loss, the high availability plays main role. Suppose I have two machines are running in Hyderabad location office, that is data center 1, and also I have two more instances which is running in Bangalore location office, that is data center 2. And in future, suppose internet connection is down for data center 1 which is in Hyderabad office location, still I have two more instances at second office in Bangalore location which is running fine, and it can handle all the requests. So in this case, my instances are highly available. Again, just to review the concepts, vertical scaling is also known as scale up and scale down. The best example in AWS is we can change our instance type from T2 Nano to 12 TB Metal. The 12 TB Metal has more power than T2 Nano. Horizontal scaling is nothing but to increase the number of instances, which is also called as scaling scale out. Out means increase the number of instances and in means decrease the number of instances. And high availability is nothing but running the same application in multiple data centers. Data center is nothing but availability zone concept in AWS. So that's it for this session. If you understood this video, please subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. See you in next lecture.